One who has become the dependent on something or drugs. Addict. Fear of being enclosed in a small closed shape. Claustrophobia. Call upon God or any other power for help or protection. Invocation. Severely abusive writing in journal. Scurrilous. A person who opposes the war or use of military force. Pacifist. One not concerned with right or wrong. Immoral. Something no longer in use. Obsolete. Stealthily done. Something done in a quiet or secret way in order to avoid being noticed. Superstitious. Words written on a tomb. Epitaph. A person with a long experience of any occupation. Veteran. Something capable of being done. Feasible. A person coming to a foreign land to settle there. Immigrants. Anything which is no longer in use. Obsolete. A person who is unable to pay debt. Insolvent. Capable of being understood in either of two or more possible sense and therefore not definite. Amicus. A short poem or speech addressed to the spectators after the conclusion of drama. Epilogue. Act of deceiving somebody in order to make money. Fraud. Flat metal or porcelain plate fixed on a wall as an ornament or memorial. Plaque. To cut something into two pieces. Sever. A succession of rulers belonging to one family dynasty. To seize control of vehicles in order to force it to go to a new destination or demand something. Hijack. Lasting only for a moment. Momentary. One who is indifferent to pleasure or pain. Stoic. The practice or art of choosing, cooking, and eating good food. Gastronomy. Killing of a child. Infanticide. One who believes in offering equal opportunity to women in all spheres. Feminist. One who studies the election trend by means of opinion poll. Cephalologist. A doctor who treats the children. Pediatrician. One who can think about the future with immigration and wisdom. Visionary. Give and receive mutually reciprocate. Give and receive mutually reciprocate. A building where an audience sits. Auditorium. The first model of new device prototype. Thank you.